Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you what is MPPT solar controller and how it's work and why it is so important. So let's start. MPPT stands for maximum power point tracking. It is a special type of solar charge controller that helps your panels work at their best even when sunlight changes throughout the day. Why do we need MPPT? Solar panels not always produce power efficiently. Their output depends on sunlight and temperature. To get the most energy from your panels, they need to operate at a specific point called the maximum power point. That's where the MPPT controller comes in. It finds their sweet spot and adjusts the panel's voltage and current to match it. How MPPT works? Let me break it down with an example. Imagine your solar panel can produce 30 volts of electricity and 10 amperes of current. Multiplying those and you get 300 watt of power. That's the maximum power, but your battery is only 12 volts. Without MPPT, a lot of energy will be wasted. With MPPT, the controller adjusts the voltage down to 12 volts while increasing the current to about 25 ampere. So your battery still gets the full 300 watt. Why is MPPT important? With an MPPT controller, you can save energy, charge your battery faster, and get the most output of your solar panels, even in cloudy or low light conditions. It must have for modern solar system. And how to choose the right MPPT controller for your system. So, take the total watt of your solar panel divided by the voltage of the battery bank. That will give you the output current of the charge controller. For example, your total solar panel watts is 1000 and your battery bank voltage is 24. So, 1000 divided by 24. The answer becomes 41.6 ampere. The rating of the charge controller should be at least 40 ampere. And also, when choosing an MPPT controller, make sure it matches your solar panel voltage and current, and also check the efficiency. Good ones are usually 95% higher. And that's it. MPPT controllers are the key to getting maximum energy from your solar panels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for watching. Thank you.